Hi there, Julia with Jeepin' with Julia. I am going to finally install. I bought JKS lanyard kit for the sway bars when I disconnect them. Right now I did my own disconnect because the ones I'm doing will be after I get my lift. So in the meantime, I made my own out of clevis pins and washers and this little guy, and actually they work great. So in the meantime, this is what I'm doing, but I will use this same lanyard kit when I get my JKS quicker disconnects. Actually, I have them. I just haven't got them installed yet because I don't have my lift yet. So so I'm going to try to show you. I don't know if you can see in there, but here is the lanyard, and I'm going to drill a hole right there and then put the nut and screw that they gave me, and they gave 1/4 inch nuts with a lock nut and 2 washers for each side, and that should be it. Then at least it beats running a bungee through my front grill, which is what I did last time. So we're going to see how this goes. Okay, I'm back. You can see how I've got it hooked up in there. I hope you can see. There we go. I have to tighten it. I've just got it hand done on there. It took a little bit to drill the hole through there, longer than I thought, but that's how it's gonna hook up. So, and they didn't say what size wrenches to use, and I didn't have 1/4 inch, so this 7/16 socket will work for the front, and then I got an 11mm open-end wrench to hold the back of it with while I tighten up the front. Okay, I got that one tightened. Let me see if I can get you in there to see it. There we go. So that side is done, and I'll just repeat the other side. One thing is they didn't, the instructions are kind of minimal. Maybe for somebody more mechanically inclined that would have been fine. I needed a little more help. It is much easier. I was trying to reach through here to hold one side while I was using the socket wrench on the other side. That didn't work. So I went underneath, held it from laying down on my back under the Jeep, and that worked. Then I could get it tightened. I was getting very frustrated there for a sec. But anyways, I think I'm going to be very happy with this. It sure beats running a bungee everywhere, and that'll hold those up when I'm on the trail. And so that is the JKS lanyard lanyard sway bar kit. So, and it was $12.99 or something like that. I can't remember, but it wasn't very expensive. So yeah, that's it. Have a great day. And it's going to be really hot here. We're going to be in the hundreds, low hundreds for a few days, which I'm not looking forward to. But anyways, have a great day. Bye.